Hey everyone, Jonathan Mask here, and I need to give you a quick update. This morning, my entire team was locked out of this group, all 520 plus thousand of us. Not banned, but we don't have access to you anymore, and I can't get in to manage or to reach you. We've talked to Facebook support, and they say it's an automated algorithmic action. They don't know why. In fact, they confirmed there's no violations listed on our accounts anywhere, and they can't promise me when access will be restored. It could be a few days, it could be longer. We're still here and we're still working. We're just not on Facebook right now. So here's what I need you to do. Join us in the AI Entrepreneur Hub. It's our community that lives completely off of Facebook. It's entirely free. It always has been. And right now, it's the only way to stay connected with me and our support team. The link is in the first comment below. Click it and come find us there for free. If you need help with anything before then, please feel free to email us, as always, at support@whitebeardstrategies.com. We're not going anywhere, and we'll see you on the other side.